Hello, I'm Mike and I'm an educator at the New Mexico Museum of Space History. Today we're going to do an activity on volcanoes. Now this is a bit messy to make and it'll probably be even messier to clean up. But as we go through it, you'll get an idea of how volcanic activity acts not just on planet Earth, but on other planets and moons in our solar system as well. As an example, here's an image of Io, a moon of Jupiter. Io has more than 400 active volcanoes. Jupiter's gravity is pulling the moon one way, and other moons, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are pulling other directions. Io is being torn apart by these forces, and volcanic activity is the result. So, what are some of the key words in this activity? Volcanism occurs when a planet or moon begins to lose internal heat. Volcanoes then form. Rocks near the surface can melt. The volcano is the door through which the lava flows. Now, Earth is cooling as well, but don't lose sleep worrying. Billions of years will pass before Earth becomes inhabitable. Oh, and by the way, it's been 3 billion years since the last volcano erupted on our own moon. Olympus Mons on Mars is an extinct volcano about the size of Rhode Island. Venus has more than 1,700 volcanoes. So why don't some planets have volcanoes now? Well, they've completely cooled. The volcanic process then results in tectonism when a body's outer layer is deformed. This is an image of tectonism on Ganymede. Such activity will cause erosion when the surface is worn down. Now, let's make our volcano. You'll need these ingredients: 2 large packages of dark chocolate cake mix. Follow the directions on the box. Make one in a bundt cake mold, the other in an angel food cake mold. For the lava, you'll need 13 ounces of marshmallow cream, a half cup of water, red food coloring, yellow food coloring, and a tall glass jar. You'll need about a 1/4 pound of dry ice. This can only be purchased by an adult, and you must have adult supervision to use the dry ice. Use heavy gloves, do not touch the dry ice, which is frozen carbon dioxide, with your bare hands. It will cause severe burns on your skin. Do not put your face near the gases that come off of the dry ice. Carbon dioxide is what we exhale. You don't want to breathe that back in. Our first step is to put our 2 cakes together to make our volcano. Position the top cake layer over the base and make sure the holes are aligned. Do this only after the cakes have completely cooled. Use the rest of your frosting to completely cover the cake. Remember, this is a volcano and not a work of art. When completed, you'll be adding light-colored corn syrup to your list. Mix a dripping consistency of the syrup, white sugar, and red food coloring. Add enough food coloring to make the mixture red and not pink. Volcanoes don't spew out pink lava. Then, drip the mixture over the top and sides to simulate lava that's already been ejected. Now it's time to create the erupting lava. An adult must do this. In a small saucepan over low heat, mix the marshmallow cream with enough water to create a liquid consistency. Add red and yellow food coloring to create a molten lava appearance. Now, wearing protective gloves and eye protection, drop chunks of dry ice into the jar. Pour in the lava mixture. Lastly, add warm water. The warmer the water, the better the eruption. The dry ice will create a smoke effect and cause marshmallow lava to bubble over the cake rim. What that smoke actually is the dry ice sublimating or converting to a gas directly from a solid without going through the liquid stage. So, you have a good idea, in a fun way, how volcanoes are created, the processes, and how they can alter and change landscapes. It's science, and in this case, it's edible.